Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. And today I will discuss the Pascal's triangle of Leet code question. So you all know that what is the Pascal's triangle, right? So this is basically a type of triangle where the first column's value and the last column's value is 1. You can see that in the first row. Here, this is the first column and this is the last column. So this value is 1. In the second row, the first column's value is 1. The last column's value is also 1. In the third row, also same, 1 and 1. And what are the values of the middle columns? So this is the previous rows. Suppose this is j, this is j, this is the j minus 1 index. So the index of means the value of the index j minus 1 plus value of the index of j. So this is the value of the current rows medium. So this is 1 plus 1 2, then 1 plus 2 is 3, then again 2 plus 1 it is 3, then 1 plus 3 it is 4, 3 plus 3 it is 6, 3 plus 1 it is 4 and 1. So I will discuss the Java solution of it. So basically what we have done, like here basically we declared a list of list which will be our resultant, right? So then we declared a list of row here, and which will define our current row, and we defined a list which defines the previous row. Here this is none. So after that, what we do, we know that the number of rows is as num rows. In the question it's provided, and what we done, so we simply iterate for it using the for loop. So now every time we visit a new row, we initialized this as empty array list. Then we know that the number of columns will always be equal to the number of rows. Like here, the value is 5. Okay. So what is the value of column? This is 1 column, 2 column, 3, 4, 5, and row is also 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this the number of columns is equal to the number of rows. So we just run a loop for that, and after that we observe that it is the first column or it is the last column. So if it is the first column and if it is the last column, means here we check as j equals to 0 or j equals to I. I means the last column and 0 means the first column. Then the answer of the Pascal triangle will be 1. So we added it to the row as 1. And if this is not the first or the last column, we know that it is the previous rows j minus 1's columns value plus previous rows j columns value. Here, like 1 plus 2 it is 3, 2 plus 1 equals to 3, then 3 plus 1 equals to 4, then 3 plus 3 equals to 6 here, and then 3 plus 1 equals to 4, like that. So here we have done as added the value of the columns previous rows column j minus 1 value plus previous rows jth columns value. So pre dot get j minus 1 plus pre dot get j, and we added it to the row. So once we have done that, we initialize this row to the previous, and so that this can be used to the next iteration. So basically we add this current row to our resultant, and once done we can return the result. So this is the basic idea. So what is the complexity? As here we are creating a 2D array of size number of rows into number of columns. So we are traversing through each of the cells to update it with its correct value. So the time complexity will be order of order of num rows square. Since we are creating a 2D array, so space complexity also this. So this is the time complexity and space complexity. So this is the time complexity and space complexity as we are creating 2D arrays. So that's all. Thank you for watching. If you like, then do like and subscribe. Thank you.